Okay, everybody, welcome back to our next episode. This is actually the beginning of the episode that last episode should have been. But if you recall, last episode we were about ready to plant our seeds, but then I realized I goofed up and didn't put the string out. We're going to go, oh shoot, no we didn't do, doggone it, we didn't do the squares. So, change the plan, we're going to do the squares first. Okay, see you in a little bit. So Y Guy and I put the string out. It went really well with two people. And Y Guy learned what?
How to use a drill.
That's right. So he one of the tips that you really want to learn, especially if you have never used a power drill before, when you're holding the power drill, what you want to do is hold it like this, straight up and down. Then go ahead and take your left hand and push down with it. Use your body weight to really help you keep that drill in place, and go ahead and screw it in. And then when you start getting more skilled with the drill, you can go ahead and use it with one hand. But when you're a beginner, it's good to go ahead and use two. And you know, especially if you're not a real big person, and you can use your body weight to help push it in that way. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna plant these seeds. We're gonna start with right here.
I have a question. Why do all these normal vegetables have weird names?
I don't know. Try to make you excited.
See, like.
Oh, okay, like
Scarlet
Nantes carrots. I don't know. This just says spinach, baby leaf. That's kind of normal. Cherry bell radish, green salad bowl lettuce, and lettuce Paris Island romaine. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with radish in these. Now, Y Guy is actually the expert with radish, because he did radish at elementary school. So you're going to we're going to do 16 radish per square.
Ooh. See, see at our class, we actually had a little pots.
Yeah.
So this is actually better.
Okay, I'm not sure how well this is going to work, because I can barely even see the holes. So, yeah, this is going to be kind of weird. All right, go ahead and... Okay guys, this is taking a lot longer than we thought it was going to take, so just to save camera battery, because basically I'm just kind of sitting here and going like this, so it's not very interesting television. So we're going to go ahead and stop the camera and come back when we get a lot more progress done. What do you think so far?
That takes so much time.
Yeah, this part's not really exciting, but hopefully it will work out. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, we're back. In this square over here, we did radish. We did 16 per square foot. So 16 times 4, whatever that is. I don't know what that is offhand.
64.
64. And then over there in that corner, we had 4 square feet of radish, and we did 16 per square, or not radish, carrots, carrots, and we did 16 times 4, so 64. All right, now what we're going to do here is this row we're going to do spinach, and we're going to do 9 seeds per square foot. Right now, Y Guy, this one right here. Right now, Y Guy is getting kind of tired and kind of about had it. So we'll get this done as soon as we can. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, guys, we got the seeds in the ground. So in this row, we have lettuce. Nope, I'm sorry. In this row, we have spinach. In this row, we have lettuce. In this row, we're going to have romaine lettuce. In this square here is carrot. And in this square here is radish. So we're going to go ahead and water it today. Y Guy will do that. Okay guys, welcome back. That was not as exciting as we thought it was going to be, planting the seeds. It was pretty hard work, especially the radish and carrots, just because they're so small and there's so many of them. The lettuce and the spinach, not so bad, because there were not nearly as many, but I don't know if I'm ever going to want to do radish and carrots again. Hopefully they're delicious and it makes it worthwhile, but I think next time we might skip that. What do you think?
It was really annoying, and I hated it. But hopefully they'll be delicious, and yeah.
But it was still fun to get outside finally. Nicer weather. And
Not play as many video games.
yeah, a little less Fortnite. But anyways, next time what we're going to do is we're going to plant another set of the same things. Kind of what my idea is to stagger them, so we have kind of a crop coming every few weeks. So we're going to stagger the next round here, and then, like I said, in about 4 or 5 weeks, we'll do the beans, squash, and tomatoes. Those are the ones I'm really looking forward to. Hopefully my tomato plants won't die before then. But anyways, we'll catch you next episode. Thanks again for joining us. Please like and comment below, and definitely subscribe. We're getting close to 2,000 subs. It would be awesome. Thanks for joining us at Y Guys Farm. See ya.
Be careful, kids. Bye.